to Cafe No Man. Welcome to our reaction to Gentle Giant, and we are going to listen to the song on Reflection.
It's the first time single take honest reaction to this Patreon request. You can check out our Patreon page to learn more about us or to request a reaction. Link is patreon.com/Anoma, or you can click the secure link in the description box below each reaction video, including this one. We make first time single take honest reactions most of the time, as in the case today. Always open, honest, sincere, unscripted, pure, raw, spontaneous and impromptu. The primary purpose of doing it this way, unlike most other reactors on this platform, is to keep it as real and as genuine an experience for you. A wholesome, fulfilling experience, even holistic at times for you. When you appreciate someone who's giving an honest, unscripted, spontaneous review on things. Gone are those days when we actually got that on most platforms. Gone are those days. So we are a dying lot, two of us. Definitely are a dying lot, and we realize that in the world that we live in today. But for what it's worth, we'll stick to our guns and we'll keep doing it the way we always do it. Because that's the only way we know to do it, and that's the way we love to do it. Gentle Giant on Reflection.
In my way did I use you? Do you think I really abused you? On reflection now, it doesn't matter. How can you say I made you need to more than say it now? I say it now,
This might act as my calling, it's moving in ways of life, and never be even the same way. We always say way, I tried to remember you, still you stay, tied in your way, changing times, watching signs. How could you see in me all you want me to be? Now, on reflection, what shall I change my ways for you all around, 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 all around.
my sympathies with you, but I never laugh at you. All in all it seems, it's just an experience.
Placed my cards on the table, told of everything I was able, understanding still, not anything different still. Now that's a lead to lose, got to leave around, start again, now it's just experiences. You stay, changing times, watching signs. How? All around, 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 all around,
I'll remember the good things. How can you forget all the years that we shared in our way? Things were changing, my life taking your place in my life, and our time drifting away. I'll remember the good things. How can you forget all the years that we shared in our way? Things were changing, my life taking your place in my life, and our time drifting away.
Look back is not your game. Together just in name.
I'll remember the good things. How can you forget all the years that we shared in our way? Things were changing, my life taking your place in my life, and our time drifting away. I'll remember the good things. How can you forget all the years that
Wow. I like music like this. I like music like this. It's very unique, uniquely crafted, beautifully arranged, and supremely talented. You can tell they are all totally into their thing, into the instrument. They're passionate to the core, and it sounds good. It sounds good. Lyrically, it throws us in different directions. It does different things, different voices, different styles. At least 3 styles I heard. Very well done, very well done. They definitely are. They've laid the platform for many others who sound like them.
Exactly, I was going to
Who
say
sound
that.
like them with the flute and with the keyboards and the organ and so many other things, and of course the guitar. And then the drums. Wow, the drums came in at key moments, especially later on in the song. I loved it. It just picks up the pace, heightens the experience for the music lover in me as well as in us. This was good.
GG. Gentle Giants. Gentle Giant, only Giant. I like this music. This was pure, this was original, and it felt, I think they have to be before Queen, they have to be before Jethro Tull, they have to be before many other bands of the 70s. They have to be at least before them. So they sound, because they sounded like predecessors at least of Jethro Tull. And the entire album of Jethro Tull, Music of the Woods. Is that Sound of the Woods? Sound of the Woods. Exactly. I think the entire album is based on this one song. Yeah.
Okay.
And we have heard about 3 or 4 of them. So I remembered the tune from there, and it literally feels like it is inspired by this one song of Gentle
I
Giant.
don't think it's just Jethro Tull.
I know, even I felt
so
the first
many,
bit of it, even Queen, the way they come
Yeah,
together
yeah.
and sing, they also may have been inspired by Gentle Giant, but provided that Gentle Giant are before them, and they sound like
Definitely
before them.
they've influenced a lot of
Yeah.
musicians. I won't say inspired,
And,
but definitely influenced.
that Oh Holy Night, the second bit when it starts, it sounds like as if he's going to sing Oh Holy Night hymn. The way it was made to sound. So I was caught in the middle.
Beautiful singing on this one. Beautiful
Love the
everything.
music.
I like the way the video was done too. I don't know. Very well done. Very well done. As if it's someone on the inside who made that video. Knew exactly which instrument was starting next. It was very well done. So it seems like it's an insider who put up the video that we watched.
Okay.
And hopefully we can share the same video with you to get the same impact. You must note though that when we listen to these songs, we've never heard music like that before. Most probably never in our lives. Especially this songs like these and artists or bands like these. So it's very important that you understand that we have not heard this before. But at the same time, we are very, 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 very focused on being open, sincere and honest in our reviews. So whatever we say, it's totally unscripted. It's in the moment, it's in the now, it's totally mindfulness to the core, just like they were passionate to the core. So it's important that listeners from certain parts of the world, they need to be very respectful of reactors like us who are still doing it the old-fashioned way.
It's the real way.
The old-fashioned, I'm calling it old-fashioned because on platforms like these,
I know.
we are a dying lot.
Everything is so exaggerated and fake.
We definitely are a dying lot, and I'm not going to beat around the bush in saying so. I've definitely realized right from the very beginning, actually, it's always been there that we are a dying lot. We are going to die much sooner than we are supposed to as reactors on this platform, because no one else is there who does it as openly and passionately and honestly as we do.
That's all for this reaction, I guess. Thank you for watching.